Dear brothers and sisters, we have seen many people, male and females, having a long dress, dragging on the floor, walking around. In fact, number of times, people are assigned to carry their dress from the floor so that they can walk easily. Is this something new? No. This was done at the time of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It is reported in Hadith number 5788 of Bukhari. Abu Huraira radiallahu anhu reported that Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah will not look, please listen carefully, Allah will not look on the day of resurrection at a person who drags his dress behind him out of pride and arrogance. Dear brothers, let us remember, who do you want to see you on the day of resurrection? You want Allah to see you and to take care of you. But anybody who is having a long dress intentionally with the intent of being proud and of being very arrogant, Allah will not look at him on that day. What are the social implications of this act? You will be spending unnecessary money, which is called israf. Quran says, the people who spend money unnecessary or do perform israf, they are the brother of shaitan. Other thing, their intent is to show off to the other people. And they want to exhibit being proud and arrogant. Allah does not like for people to be proud. He does not like the people to be arrogant. Then if anybody does that, the punishment in the hereafter will be, Allah will not look at him or her. May Allah save all of us, and we want on the day of resurrection for Allah to be with us. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala